Good day. Today I will be presenting the solution to a weight and balance problem using the mean aerodynamic chord or MAC method. Also, our preliminaries to finals lesson in weight and balance. We are given the aircraft weights, arms, and loading for crew, fuel, oil, and cargo compartments. To sum all weights, total weight is equals to 50,560 pounds. Then sum all moments, total moment is equals to 15,066,360 lb in. Now, solving for loaded center of gravity, we use the formula here. So CG is equals to 15,066,360 divided by 50,560. Now the CG is equals to 298.0 inches. Now converting CG to percent Mach, we are given the Mach equals to 275.61 inches. Mach is equals to 164.25 inches. Now the formula is here. This gives percent Mach equals to 13.63%. This value is not within the acceptable CG range, meaning the aircraft is forward heavy. To correct the CG, we shift weight aft. We use the formula here where total weight is equals to 50,560 pounds. We choose to move cargo from a forward compartment to a rear compartment. First, we attempt shifting from compartment B at 205 inches to compartment E at 320 inches. Distance D is equals to 320 minus 205 equals 115 inches. However, solving gives a required weight larger than available, so weight is not possible. Instead, we perform a realistic shift. Move 2,800 pounds from compartment D to compartment E. Now, adjust the moment, remove moment, 2,800 times 205 equals to 574,000. Add moment, 2,800 times 320 equals to 896,000. Now the total new moment is 15,066,360 minus 574,000 plus 896,000. Now the new moment is 15,338,360 lb in. Next, we compute the CG. CG is equals to 15,388,360 divided by 50,560. New CG is 304.4 inches. Now, for the final adjustment, to further improve CG, move 2,000 pounds from compartment C at 240 inches to compartment E at 320 inches. Remove 2,000 times 240 equals 480,000. Add 2,000 times 320 equals 640,000. New total moment is 15,388,360 minus 480,000 plus 640,000. The final moment is 15,548,360 lb in. Now the final CG, 15,548,360 divided by 50,560 CG is equals to 307.6 inches. Now compute percent Mach. 307.6 minus 275.61 divided by 164.25 times 100. Percent Mach equals to 19.48%. Final conclusion. The final CG is 307.6 inches, which corresponds to 19.48% Mach. This value is within the allowable CG range, meaning the aircraft is now properly balanced and safe for operation. That concludes my presentation on solving aircraft weight and balance using the mean aerodynamic chord method. Thank you.